I must tell you, illiteracy is a disease. And if you don't have self-respect and self-worth, as a young girl, I pity you. So apparently, 2 blown adult girls are fighting over a man. They are fighting over somebody's son or somebody's husband. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1+. I'm your girl Bella, where I bring you the latest gist that is happening in town. Please take a look at this video and be the judge of the character in this video. All right. Imagine seeing this kind of thing. Two blown adult girls fighting over a man in a public square, in a market square. Does it mean that they don't have shame? See, I've said this thing times that number. If you have somebody that is not disgracing you in a public, or your family in a public, you don't know what God has done for you. Imagine seeing somebody like this that is supposed to be talking about settling down with a responsible person, now dragging a man. Don't be surprised that these people now that are fighting over this guy, it could be one chief like that. It might be one chief. Kahanazo. Why not itabirinya one nigga? Why are you now trying to? Why? Una no get shame. Women, let me tell you the honest truth. In recent times, in 2026, women don't have shame again. It's the same women that will come and tell you, I don't need a man. Look at I don't need a man. Shouting, fighting over the man. I don't need a man is now fighting over the man. Somebody that doesn't have a skill, somebody that is not earning a better living, because don't be surprised. Why they are fighting now? Because the other one, they collect money. Why don't you do something better with your life? Why are we seeing you on the streets? This is the more reason why this guy is that. Okay, if you want to get married, please check that girl very well. Whether look very well in this video before you don't go and get somebody that you don't fight for somebody. Also mafia. Thereby, your family. You don't need this kind of people. We don't need this kind of people in this country. Look at gutter behavior. This is pure gutter behavior. Anyway, I've said a lot. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Peace out.